Shalom Aleichem. Mishnah Yomi continues for Erev Shabbat Behar. It's also the 31st day of the Omer, so Lag BaOmer just 2 days away. We are in chapter Zion, chapter 7 of Sotah, Mishnah Gimel. Now, yesterday we mentioned a list of items that must be said in Lashon HaKodesh, in Hebrew. And the rest of this chapter will explain what these are. Mikra bikkurim ketzad, the declaration of bringing the first fruits. How do you know that it must be said in Hebrew? It says, ve'anita, ve'amarta livnei Hashem Elokecha, that you must, one is like to call out, ve'amarta, and also say in front of Hashem. This is in Devarim chapter 26. Hulahalan hu omer, and it also says in chapter 27, ve'anu halaviyim ve'amru, they will answer and they will say, the Leviim, and over there it's by what we're going to learn about tomorrow, the blessings and the curses, the brachot uklalot at har grizim hareval. So the Mishnah explains the linkage, ma aniya hamor lahalon b'lashon hakodesh, just like the answering by the brachot uklalot, the blessings and curses, that's in lashon hakodesh. Afkan b'lashon hakodesh. So too, it's in lashon hakodesh. So tomorrow we're actually going to talk about the procedure, but the source for it being in Hebrew, really the Kehati brings the source. There's a double gezerah shavel, a double linkage. So the context of bikurim is linked with anita to the brachot and klalot, and brachot and klalot also mentions kol, and the kol is linked to Matan Torah, that Moshe was answering Hashem b'kol, and the kol, the voice, there was obviously in Lashon HaKodesh. The Torah was given in Lashon HaKodesh, so there kol is linked to the brachot klalot, and aniyah is linked to bikurim. Now, Mishnah Daled, halitza ketzad, the halitza ceremony we discussed in great detail in Masechet Yevamot. To recap, it's the procedure to release a widow who the husband passed away with no children, but he has a surviving brother, so there is a bond of responsibility that the surviving brothers must take care of this widow, either marry her in Yibum or release her with a halitza to marry someone else. So it says by her, ve'anta ve'amra, she answers and she speaks. Lahalan hu omer ve'anu levim ve'amru, by the brachot and klalot also. Ma ani amor lahalan b'lashon hakodesh, just like by the Leviim, as we explained, it's lashon hakodesh. Afkan, so too by the halitza ceremony, the words she speaks, b'lashon hakodesh, must be in lashon hakodesh. Rabbi Yehuda omer, Rabbi Yehuda has another source. Ve'anta ve'amra kacha. It says she answers, she says kacha. Kacha, I think we translate thusly, or exactly so, just so. Ad shetomar b'lashon hazeh. So it only works if she says it in lashon hazeh, in these words, the same words as written in the Torah, in lashon hakodesh, in Hebrew. Tizkule mitzvot, good Shabbos.